for varnish and deposits, there's two badges that they've created. One focused on identification of measurement, so that's referred to as a VIM badge, and another on prevention and removal. That's referred to as the VPR badge. Who should look at getting their varnish badges? Well, pretty much anyone on the end user site. If you're dealing with equipment that is susceptible to varnish, it makes sense for you to learn a little bit more about this to be able to ensure your assets are not victim to some of the detrimental impacts of varnish. So people like reliability engineers, operation and maintenance managers, root cause analysis specialists, vendors also that are providing services to these end users can have a lot of value in getting this certification. So filtration specialists, people that are selling lubrication or lubes or lubrication related services, laboratory technicians, or also people on the research side.